Hey everyone, today we are answering a big question for NRIs. Should we keep our money in US dollars or send it to India in rupees? I am Jitendra Shrivastav, strategist for managing and protecting your wealth. Let's start with keeping money in US dollars. If you live in a country outside India with a strong currency, holding your savings in AED or dollars, it can help to protect you from currency fluctuations. Plus, you have easy access to funds for future expenses abroad, like international trips or kids' overseas education or living. Now, what about sending money to India in rupees? If you believe the Indian rupees will strengthen over time, or if you have financial commitments in India like property or family expenses or your retirement fund, then sending money in rupees can be a smart move. Plus, India offers higher interest rates on savings and deposits. So, what's the right move? It depends on your financial goals. If you plan to invest or spend in India, sending money in rupees could make sense. But if you want to protect your wealth from currency risk or using it abroad, keeping in dollars might be a better idea. Ultimately, balance is key. Diversifying between US dollars and rupees based on your present and future needs could be the best strategy. Now, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. The strength of the rupee offers growth potential at home, while the stability of the US dollar preserves your global purchasing power. Balancing both ensures a diversified financial approach. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.